Here are three easy ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone. The first and most common method is using the buttons. Simply press the side button and the volume up button at the same time, then quickly release them. Your screen will flash and the screenshot preview will appear in the bottom left corner. The second method is using Assistive Touch. Open the Settings app, go to Accessibility, then tap Touch and enable Assistive Touch. Now tap Customize Top-Level Menu or go to Double Tap and set it to Screenshot. After that, you can take screenshots without pressing physical buttons. The third method is using Back Tap. Go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on Touch and tap on Back Tap. Then choose either Double Tap or Triple Tap and set it to Screenshot. Now, whenever you tap the back of your iPhone 2 or 3 times, it will automatically capture a screenshot. You can find all your screenshots inside the Photos app under the Screenshots folder. If your screenshot is not working, make sure your buttons are functioning properly and your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials and tips.